Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this holiday snowman reverse stamp nail design. So I'm going to use a hollow by Color Club called Don't Harp on It, blue by Salon Perfect called Digital Blue, white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, red also by Sinful Colors called Go Go Girl, and gold by BMC called Liquid Gold. So Born Pretty sent me this nail plate. It's their Christmas LOO2 nail plate. It's really cute. Has a whole bunch of different holiday designs, but I wanted to do a holiday reverse stamp design. I've never done this before. This is my first time. So I was really excited about it, especially with this design because it's so cute and fun. And as you seen in the beginning of the video with me telling you all the colors that I am using for it, I wanted it to be really colorful and fun and perfect for the holidays. So I'm just applying like the red and the blue, the gold, and the white just to make it a fun and festive look. You can use any color combos you want, but I wanted it to be really colorful and cute. Now, I've recently gotten into doing reverse stamp. I used to be real lazy and not want to do it because it does take a lot of time and patience to do it. As you see, I'm using a thin nail brush and I'm very slowly applying it onto the design because you don't want to mess up. That's why I say in my other reverse stamp designs, try to find, designs that have a lot of space in it. But I wanted to do this one because I just thought it would be so cute and perfect, of course, for the holidays. And like I said, you can use any color combo that you want. Now, I've seen on Instagram, because I love my Instagram, I've seen that when people do a reverse stamp design, they apply a thin coat of top coat onto their nails and then apply it. I don't do that. I don't know if it's the polish or the stampy polish that I use. I just take the stamper and just really hard put it on my nails and it sticks on. But if you're having any problems, I've seen the girls do it. Paint your nail with a top coat and wait for it to dry a little bit and then apply that reverse stamper design onto your nails. And like I told you, I just took it and I just press it real hard on my nails to make sure it sticks on, and then I slowly remove it. Don't rush to remove it. You don't want to ruin it. And it came out cute. I love how this design came out. I wish the present, we could see more of it, but I love the finished look of it, and I hope I made this video easy for you to recreate if you want. And as you can see, I just applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.